Okay, here we are at 2010 Internoise in Lisboa, Portugal, and as usual I would say we have Odeon here on the site. So what's your name and exactly what's the mission here this time?
I'm Claus Svensson and I'm here with Odeon, and we're here to show what we're doing with Odeon and what have been developed since last. And to meet our customers and possible customers. To build relations.
Do you actually meet more old customers or existing customers, or do you meet also many potentially new ones?
Well, it's both. It's both purposes. It's a chance to meet our current customers and exchange ideas and hear their viewpoints and what they want for the future of Odeon. And, so to get an idea and get a hold and get a face on people, to meet people.
Do you reckon that you also get a lot of good product development input here when you actually visit these acoustic conferences?
Yeah, we do get some, because we learn what people are actually using our program for. So it is important to meet the people that are using it in the end, or at least some of them.
Absolutely,
And that's why we do it.
If we look at the latest developments within the visualization and oralization, then what is the latest really for you at Odeon?
What are we doing? Currently we are looking into what we have just been releasing is a plugin for Google SketchUp. And it means that you can very easily import models from Google SketchUp and retain material information and so on in your model while you change it in this modeling program.
And that would be very good for architects, I guess?
It's very good for architects and users in general, because it's very easy and fast way to make error-prone models. For the
is it
modeling.
Now you focused on SketchUp? Do you also have you try to sort of synchronize with a lot of other products and softwares?
Our other way to interface with CAD models is through the DXF format. And we have been working on that continuously to make it as error-prone as possible. To import model, which comes from many different programs, and also come from many different CAD model users. So some are not equally skilled, and that means that sometimes you have different copies of surfaces are present multiple times in the model, and we need to sort this out, which is needed.
I was thinking, do you also put a lot of efforts actually in training of customers on how to optimize their usage of Odeon?
We do it in different ways. We have a couple of courses a year where we have customers coming to customer courses. And of course we also hear. And what we also do is we have our website where we have FAQs and so forth. So those are the ways we do it.
Do you approach the universities a lot as well with giving them the training opportunities, for instance, to acquaint themselves with Odeon? These are the technical universities we're having acoustics on.
Well, what we do is through the normal course activities. We also do have some examples, some cases you can study and use as training. So there is a free trial where we also have a special course note for it.
You work out from real cases actually.
Well, this is
real building cases.
It is an existing room which you can try and add the reflectors and sort of things and see what comes out. So it's for students to try.
So if you look ahead now in the future, for not only Odeon but for these kind of tools, what do you think is sort of the future now? What needs to be developed the most in the near future?
In the near future, well, we are really working at multiple areas. I think what will change a lot, or it is changing, is that it's being used more for presentation towards end users. So it's being used more and more to present what will actually be the outcome of this building and how will it sound like, or what should we change. So oralization is one meaning to present it to people who are laymen in acoustics.
Which is, I think, probably a very good thing. but perhaps it needs another application for that. Or did you think about that from the beginning as well? That it would more be used as a very sophisticated presentation software or tool?
Well, there was some dreams that we would get there, but now that we're actually getting here, I don't anticipated that we would get that far and it would be accepted. It was being looked upon as a fancy toy, which in the beginning, which people didn't believe that it would be used, but it is being used, and
certainly can be very technical. So, how did you like it so far here at the Internoise? You had a good time?
Yeah, we really have good contacts, I think, in these first 1.5 days. So we're quite pleased with it.
Something else you would like to pass on to the viewers around the world?
Come to the conference and meet us.
Okay, thank you very much, Claus. It was good, and that's the end of the Odeon session here at Internoise 2010. Bye-bye.